Today's house brings together nature and privacy through a simple yet powerful idea, a central split. Rather than separating, this split connects the home with light, air, and greenery, while clearly defining public and private areas. On a plot measuring 78 by 83.5 feet, the split house was organized around existing trees. Located in Bengaluru, India, the split house, designed by Collage Architecture Studio, was created for a family of 4. At the heart of the home is the split, a gravel bed between 2 built volumes, with a granite slab serving as a pathway. Three slender trees grow from this gravel bed, and a white puja room anchors the central core. This stairwell and indoor garden create a calm and welcoming atmosphere. A glass wall curves into a skylight, bringing in natural light. The dining area is nestled among greenery, featuring a teak table that seats 8. A suspended bridge connects the 2 volumes, with a curved teak ceiling that adds warmth to the space. To the left, the living room opens up as a bright and airy space with 2 glazed walls, one of them sliding open to connect directly to the deck. The interiors follow a simple palette: white walls, wood finishes, earthy tones, and green views. A bird sculpture on the wall adds a quiet artistic touch. The sculptural staircase, made of cantilevered concrete steps with a teak handrail, feels light and open. The bridge leads to the second volume, where a family room opens to the terrace, and a guest suite includes its own balcony and double vanities. On this level, the mother's bedroom features a private balcony and a view into the puja and dining spaces below. With the same layout as the master bedroom on the ground floor, a second suite opens to a west-facing balcony with granite louvers and a swing. Includes a versatile lounge, jacuzzi, steam room, and a shaded deck on one side. The split house is a serene, clear, and functional residence. It brings together family life and nature in an organic and effortless way.